Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Charger side mirror. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool to protect your vehicle's interior. Make sure you have a new side mirror assembly specifically for your Dodge Charger, and an 8mm socket with a ratchet will be crucial for securing the bolts. Having these ready makes the process much smoother. Next, we'll focus on removing the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully taking off the interior door panel to access the wiring and mounting hardware. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Then, locate and remove the 3 mounting nuts that secure the mirror to the door. With the fasteners removed, you can gently detach the old mirror assembly. Now it's time to install your new side mirror. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, aligning it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place by tightening the 3 mounting nuts. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. A quick tip: make sure the weather stripping along the mirror housing is properly seated to prevent water intrusion into your door. For the final steps, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are secure. Before finishing, test the new mirror thoroughly. Verify that all mirror adjustments, including up, down, left, and right, function correctly. If your mirror has a heating element, confirm that it also works. Double-check for any loose connections to ensure everything is properly installed and operating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.